Honor has confirmed that the Wind series will be unveiled on December 26th in China. And this is the first look. Honor Wind series have two phones, Honor Wind and Honor Wind RT. The Honor Wind series come in black, white, and blue. Honor Wind and Honor Wind RT come in built-in cooling fan and dedicated button. We can also spot the Wind series branding on the side of the camera island. Honor Wind promises robust durability with IP68 plus IP69 resistance. The Honor Wind and Wind RT will come with a 50MP Sony LYT700 primary rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide unit. Both phones will also offer a 50MP selfie camera. The Honor Wind feature a triple rear camera setup, feature a 50MP Sony IMX856 telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom support. Base model will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, whereas the higher version will pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Honor Wind will have a large flat display with a resolution of 1.5K, with a high refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, a durable metal body, and advanced water resistance. One of the two devices is bring a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 100W wired charging support. It is still unknown whether the Honor Wind smartphones will be released outside the Chinese market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.